Let's explore how to ask TAFE Queensland to set up a payment plan in your student portal. If you need a payment plan, it is important to ask us as soon as possible so we can assess your eligibility and confirm if it is an option for you. A payment plan helps you pay your fees in smaller, regular instalments through a direct debit from an Australian bank account, instead of paying it all up front. Find out more about payment plans and your eligibility on our website at tafeqld.edu.au/payment-plans. How to ask for a payment plan. If you need a payment plan for your student fees, go to your Forms tile on your student portal homepage and select the form Request a Payment Plan. Note: if you are an international student, to ask for a payment plan, use the International Student General Request form. You will find a link in the help text at the top of the screen. Your eligibility for a payment plan needs to be checked by a TAFE Queensland staff member. Not all courses, funding types, or students are eligible. Carefully read the help text at the top and respond to each field in the form, making sure that all your personal and contact details are correct, especially your email address. We will update your progress using email. You will need to select the checkbox on the form to verify your details are current. If they are not, please update these in your My Details tile in the student portal and return to the payment plan form after you have saved those updates. If your legal name has changed or you notice that something like your date of birth is incorrect, please go back to the Forms tile and submit a change of name request form to update these details before you ask for a payment plan. You will also need to select which course your payment plan will apply to. You can only select one course per form. Make sure you have read and understood the student declaration. Once you have confirmed your agreement by selecting the checkbox, you can then select the Submit button at the bottom of the form. To save your progress without submitting, or to cancel the form in your portal, use the drop-down button for more options on a computer, or, on a mobile, select the ellipsis or 3 dots near the top right of your screen. A screen will load that confirms your form has been successfully submitted. You will also be emailed to confirm that we have received your request. Select Done to return to the home screen. We will use the information you have provided to assess your eligibility. If you are not found eligible, we will cancel your request and notify you. If you are found eligible for a payment plan, a direct debit request PDF form with next step instructions will be sent to the email address you provided on your original request. You'll need to provide TAFE Queensland with the Australian bank account details for the direct debit and sign this form to confirm your agreement of the repayment arrangement. After you have filled out all sections of the PDF, reviewed and are happy with the repayment frequency and deduction amounts, you will need to sign the direct debit request with a pen. Once completed, you can securely upload this private information in your student portal. To upload your completed and signed direct debit request form, use the link in the email we sent you, or go to the Forms tile in your student portal and select the Responses tab near the top of the screen. Follow the prompts to view and respond by uploading your direct debit request, making sure you save your changes so we can process your request. Our staff will go in and check we have all the details we need so we can set up your payment plan direct debit. If we need any more information from you, we will update your request in the portal where you can respond. A simple typo or unclear handwriting on the form might mean we need to verify details with you, so please take care to make sure what you add to your form is clear, legible and easy to understand, or it may delay us processing your plan. Setting up a payment plan is time-sensitive and must be finalised before the first instalment date on your direct debit request, so if you have any questions, please do not delay reaching out to us. We will send you reminders if you do not reply or action requests for further information. If we cannot progress your payment plan direct debit, your request for a payment plan will be cancelled, and you will need to make alternative payment arrangements right away. Use the Contact Us tile in your student portal to see your options to message us, call us, see our locations and visit a campus, or start a web chat.